Moving on. During the monsoon month of Sawan, temples across India have become vibrant hubs of devotion as devotees flock to worship Lord Shiva. From offering milk and water to performing intricate rituals, the enthusiasm is palpable as devotees seek spiritual fulfillment and blessings. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the auspicious rituals and celebrations that mark this sacred time. With the onset of the monsoon month of Sawan in India, devotees flock to temples nationwide to worship Lord Shiva, marking the beginning of auspicious rituals. They gathered around Shivlings, the aniconic representation of Lord Shiva, eagerly participating in the revered tradition of offering milk and water, which holds profound spiritual significance in Hinduism. Devotees made offerings of flowers, bilwa leaves, fruits and sweets to Lord Shiva and performed elaborate pujas to evoke his grace and blessings. The advent of Sawan also marked the beginning of the annual Kanwad Yatra. During the sacred journey, devotees of Lord Shiva embark on barefoot pilgrimages to various parts of the country, seeking to collect holy water from the sacred river Ganga.
बहुत अच्छा दिन है। सावन का महीना अपने आप में उत्साह लेके आता है। मेरे अंदर बहुत अच्छा हुआ था, इसलिए मैं पैदल लेके आई अवधविहार मीनाक्षीपुरम से जल लेके पैदल आई नंगे पैर।
During the month of Sawan, many devotees observe fast on Mondays dedicated to Lord Shiva. Devotees recite prayers and mantras dedicated to Lord Shiva, such as the Mahamrutyunjay mantra, to seek his blessings. Devotees often come together in community gatherings, satsangs and discourses centered around Lord Shiva's teachings. The enthusiasm during Sawan reflects a deep-rooted faith and reverence for Lord Shiva among his devotees, who seek spiritual upliftment, purification and divine grace during this auspicious month.
भगवान शिव के ही तन में है जो कुछ जो भी है उस शिव के लिए ही है.
During Sawan, temples across the country are adorned with vibrant decorations that reflect the festive spirit and reverence for Lord Shiva. Colorful banners, strings of marigold flowers and intricate rangoli designs embellish the temple premises. During the month of Sawan, devotees feel a heightened sense of closeness to their deity.
सब गंगा जल लेकर के बाबा के धाम में डमरू बजाते हुए जा रहे हैं. ये सब आनंदित है. इसमें किसी का एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया जा सकता है. ये आनंद की अनुभूति है और सब इसका आनंद ले रहे हैं सभी लोग.
As Sawan unfolds its spiritual splendor, devotees across the country unite in their reverence for Lord Shiva, finding joy in rituals that deepen their spiritual connection. The vibrant celebrations and fervent devotions during this sacred month resonate with a profound sense of faith and renewal among the faithful, embodying the essence of devotion to the divine.